In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with SharePoint, two powerful tools that can enhance your workflow and productivity. Now, this process might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. To start, you'll need to visit Make's website, a service that facilitates integrations between different applications. Once there, you'll see a button labeled Create Scenario. This is your starting point. Click on it to begin setting up your integration. Think of a scenario like a blank canvas where you can define how and when the applications will interact. From there, you'll want to choose the Build from Scratch option. While you might see some templates and other options, building from scratch allows you to tailor the integration to your specific needs. After making your selection, a visual interface with several icons will appear, representing various actions and applications you can connect. Next, click on the plus sign. This allows you to add your first app, which in this case is Trello. Type Trello into the search box and select it from the list of available applications. Trello will provide a list of possible actions you can automate. For this integration, you want to select Get a Card. This action retrieves details of a specific card from Trello when prompted. You'll then be prompted to create a connection. This involves linking your Trello account to Make, so confirm any permissions that pop up. After you've successfully connected Trello, be sure to click on Save to capture your progress. It's crucial to save frequently to avoid losing any changes. Now it's time to create a card ID. This is simply a step to specify which Trello card you'd like SharePoint to access data from. You'll typically enter or select the card ID, ensuring it matches exactly with what you're referencing. Having saved your card setup, click the plus sign again. This is where SharePoint comes into play. Search for SharePoint in the same way you did for Trello. Once you've found it, select the List Items action. This will enable SharePoint to pull in the data from your specified Trello card. Just like before, create a connection. This time, you'll link your SharePoint account, similarly granting necessary permissions. Trust this process as it ensures smooth interaction between both services. Once connected, ensure everything is accurate and then hit Save. That's it. Following these steps, you have successfully set up an integration between Trello and SharePoint. Whenever you make updates in Trello, they can be seamlessly transferred over to SharePoint, enhancing not just your workflow, but also collaboration across teams who might be using different tools. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections and permissions, as these are common areas for errors. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating!